he was on board.
And Falcon was really in the garage this whole time. I don't know if Falcon can hear me, but was he, because I know at some point he fell asleep in that garage, but he was hiding out because he thought you were going to punish him for something that happened earlier in the day. Did he hear anything? Did he hear you screaming out, Falcon, Falcon?
He's asking Falcon, did you hear us calling your name at any time?
Hmm?
You did?
You did?
Why didn't you come out?
You guys said that we did this for the show.
Yeah.
No.
Want to get away? Now you can. Go to Southwest.com for Southwest Airlines' $49 internet sale from Phoenix to Las Vegas or cities in Southern California. Plus, find sale fares to dozens of other destinations across the country.
You are now free to move about the country.
Ha ha ha. Oh.